Okay. Heat and work, sign convention. Energy exchange between system and surrounding, either in the form of heat or in the form of work. Heat is a form of energy in transit due to difference in temperature between two systems or systems and surrounding. It is a form of energy in transit due to difference in temperature between two systems or systems and surrounding. Before the flow of energy, it is not regarded as heat, and after the cease to flow, also energy is not regarded as heat. Only during the flow of energy, it can be regarded as heat. When heat enters into the body of the substance, it is no more regarded as the heat. Rather, it forms internal energy. Heat supplied to the system, Q positive, system gains heat, endothermic. Heat released by the system, Q negative, system loses heat, exothermic. Work done on the system, W positive, surrounding compress the system, energy enters the system. Work done by the system, W negative, system expands and does not work surrounding, energy leaves the system. Heat supplied, heat release, work done on the system, work done by the system. To the system, positive, it is plus, Q plus, work on, that is the W plus. By the system, negative, heat out, Q minus, work by W minus. Sorry, absence of energy in the form of heat if a system and surrounding are at different temperature, then energy is transferred in the form of heat from the body having higher temperature to the body having lower temperature till the temperature is equalized. Heat is a form of energy and it can be partly converted into work, or it can be obtained from the work. The flow of heat ceases as soon as the thermal equilibrium is attained. It is algebraic quantity and hence it is extensive property. It is not state function. It acts reversibly greater than the heat action irreversibly, that is Q reversible is greater than Q irreversible. When heat is gained by the system, it is taken as positive, and when heat is lost by the system, it is taken as negative. It is often expressed in calorie, but its SI unit is joule and CGS unit is arc. These units are related. 1 calorie equal to 4.1 joule, 1 joule 10 to the power 7, or 1 kilocalorie, 1000 calorie, 1 kilojoule, 1000 joule. Exchange of energy in the form of work. If a system and surrounding are at different pressure, then energy between system and surrounding is exchanged in the form of mechanical work. When an object is displaced by a displacement of dx against the force F, then the amount of work done is given by W equal to F cos theta dx. F equal to force measured in the direction of displacement. If cos theta equal to 1, W equal to F dx. We know that pressure P equal to force over area. So F equal to PA, W equal to F dx. So W equal to P A dx. Also volume area and displacement. So A dx volume change. So W equal to P volume change. W equal to P dV. P is the external pressure. Work is not a state function. It depends on part by which the system changes the state. The work done is the reversible process is always greater than the work done in the irreversible process. So W reversible is greater than W irreversible. Work is an algebraic quantity and therefore an extensive property. The sign convention of work can be expressed either in terms of change in volume or change in internal energy. Work done by the system on the surrounding, W is positive. Work done on the system, W is negative. Work is usually expressed in joule, which is SI unit. 1 joule, 1 Newton per meter, Newton meter. Other units of work are liter atmospheric or calorie, etc. Sign convention of initial energy. Work done is done by the system on the surrounding. The internal energy of the system decreases and the work done is taken as negative. W is less than 0. When work done on the system by the surrounding, the internal energy of the system increases and the work is taken as positive. W is greater than 0. This is the sign convention recommended by IFC. Sign convention in terms of volume change. We know that work done, PdV. When work is done by the system, the volume is increased. So delta V, that is V2 minus V1, becomes positive and is taken as positive. When work done on the system, the volume is decreased. So delta V, V2 minus V1 becomes negative and it is the negative.